Welcome to PharmaState News. Here are the top headlines from Pharma World.
Sun Pharma auditor files case against Macquarie with Economic Offences Wing. Macquarie, an Australian multinational independent investment bank and financial services company, questioned corporate governance practices at Sun Pharma, causing the drugmaker's shares to enter a 6-month low on November 29, 2018. Here is the Indian pharma stocks update. Within the Indian pharma sector, the top gainers are Orchid Pharma up 4.7% and Ajanta Pharma up 1.0%. On the other hand, Lupin down 3.9% and JB Chemicals down 2.5% are among the top losers. What happens if India boycotts Chinese products? India's pharmaceutical sector is critically dependent on Chinese imports used in drugs manufacturing. In the year 2018 to 19, China supplied over 80% of the antibiotics imported by India. A trade ban between the two nations would affect the medicine market adversely. Venkaiah Naidu calls for affordable medicines as healthcare costs soar. The vice president said new healthcare challenges were emerging every day, especially with the alarming rise in the number of non-communicable ND lifestyle diseases and cancers. GSK's CEO Emma Walmsley becomes highest paid female FTSE 100 chief. Emma Walmsley was handed €1 million pay rise last year, taking her total pay and bonus package to nearly €6 million. Novartis Generics boss quits amid conjecture over business's future. Novartis Generics chief Richard Francis is quitting after the Swiss drugmaker sold parts of the business and initiated an 18-month revamp, fueling speculation about an eventual spin-off or sale. Francesco Balistrieri, head of Sandoz's Europe region, will become interim CEO, replacing Richard Francis. FDA approves Pfizer's biosimilar to Roche's Herceptin. The approval comes nearly a year after the agency declined to approve the drug, Trazimera, and sought additional technical informatio. All samples of Johnson & Johnson's powder safe found Tamil Nadu Drugs Control Department. Tamil Nadu Drugs Control Department has said it tested 18 samples of Johnson & Johnson's baby talcum powder across Tamil Nadu from April 1 till date and found all samples are of standard quality. The baby talcum powder controversy started after claims of presence of asbestos, a known carcinogenic mineral, in the product in USA. FDA approves a new generic valsartan. Approval of the new generic of Diovan was granted to Alkem Laboratories Limited. Jan Aushadhi scheme may disrupt domestic pharmaceutical market. The Jan Aushadhi scheme, under which the government provides quality medicines at affordable rates, may disrupt around 20% of Indian pharmaceutical market. By 2020, the government is eyeing opening of another 2,500 stores. For details you can visit the news link shown with the news bite. And for quick pharma industry updates download PharmaState app.